I'm Joe Fay. I'm the co-owner and president of Maverick Dental Laboratories. We're a national laboratory that serves dentists in 48 different states. So the company was started over 20 years ago, and really it was my friendship with Larry.
My name is Larry Albensi. I'm the co-owner of Maverick Dental Laboratory. I was a customer of Joe's for many years, and we were both 39 years old and decided to open up a dental laboratory that could serve a greater region. Our synergy together really worked out well, and now we serve the whole country.
As an independent dental laboratory, we're privately owned, completely privately owned, have been since day one. It allows us flexibility. We can follow our own ethos and our own core values and what we believe in without worrying about a private equity company who really is just looking for profit margins and to spin the company up and then resell it in a couple of years.
When I first started back in 1981, there were over 16,000 dental laboratories. We're down to 7,000 now, and who knows what in the next 5 years, how many dental labs will be left. So we wanted to build a strong, independent lab that could attract the technicians that are coming into the field.
You know, with dentistry, every single case is unique. You know, there are cases that are textbook, and we do really well with those, but there's also cases that are not textbook. They're a little bit tricky. So what we really excel at is communicating with the practice and reaching out and just being in lockstep with exactly what do they want for that case and what's the vision for the case. Anytime a Maverick case shows up to the practice, I want them to open up that case and feel confident that, you know, everything's going to look good. They're not going to be spending time adjusting. It's going to be a great experience because at the end of the day, it's the experience that creates the value.